Move on to class. So last class, mostly, right, we discussed what is dictionary and how to create a dictionary objects and how to retrieve data and all, right. So what is dictionary and how to look it up. So today we'll see what is function and how to declare functions and all. Python for functions. So as of now, you know how to write a simple Python code, how to run it and all, Now, same code, if you want to implement reusable code. Can you see my screen? See my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now Python. So now there is a functions concept available in Python also. Same everywhere there is a function concept. So functions means mostly, right? This is the multiple. As of now, we implemented one by line, right? Same code for reusability purpose. If you want to implement, simply if anyone is asking, so what is functions and all? Functions is nothing but this is the block of code for specific operation. So function is nothing but this is the block of block of code for some specific function. Function means that is whatever you want, specific operations or whatever specific operations. I want to do something. So if you want to do something, we need to write one function, right? Here main function is function code is reusability. This is the main. So that is the reason we should go for functions. So we should go for function. So why you go for means the main function is reusability. So the main function is reusability. The main function is reusability. Reusability. The main function is reusability. And also, right, so reduce the code also. Reduce the code length. Reduce the code length. So that is the reason we go for functions. So function is nothing but this is the block of code or set of code for specific operations. So that case we should go for functions, and with the help of function same thing. So dictionary is a function that make function arguments. So decoded function, that is no need. So now go to directly our functions. What is our function? Where is this? This is generator. No. Nested functions, lambda function, map, filter function. That is this functions definition, general function, group function. We are declaring passing something argument. This is the function. So now some see here what is function in a group of, if a group of statements is repeatedly required, then it is not recommended to write this statement every time separately. So I am going to implement one function. So there is some piece of code. I have some piece of code. I am going to implement. So I am going to repeat it every time. No need to every time. No need to write. So no need to write a scratch level. So no need to write scratch level. So that case we go for. So that case we go for functions. For example, if we go here, right? For example, if you go here, for example, so if you go here, so this is the screen, right? If you want to clear the screen, so what is the function? Which function we are using? So for clear the function. So for this here mostly we are using. So if you want to clear the function, we are using, for example, if you run this, if you want to clear the screen, we are using clear function, right? For Windows, we are using just I'm example, just Windows. So I typed something. We typed DAR and we typed something. Which function we are using here? If you want to clear the screen, which function we are using? Here, if you want to clear the screen, daily we are using, right? What is the function? As is Ramya. We are using CLS, right? We are using CLS, right? Clear. Hello. So same thing I'm going to do. So here, if you want to clear anything, if you want to so clear anything, and we can implement like this also. Just I'm writing. So main the function main thing is repeated code. If you want to repeat the code requirement, then no need to write this statement every time separately. We have to define this statement as a single unit. Then we can call that unit any number of times based on your requirement. This is the main function. These are the main. So these are the main. So I'm going to write some code. So that code I want to use many areas. So which is the best? Every time we need to write a scratch level, or every time we need to write a function. Function. If you declare any function, so anywhere if you want, we can write that one. Anytime if you want, we can read. We can write. So we can write that one. Okay. For example, so I'm going to write one simple so function. See here. So here I'm going to write something. See, for whatever you want, we can declare. Simply I can write for clear the screen. For the clear the screen, mostly we are using CLS clear the screen. And if you want to see, we are using so LS hyphen LA, right? LS hyphen here. This is not right. D LS LS hyphen ls command. Ls command means it will display all files and directories. Linux command. Same, just I'm going to use Linux command. And I'm going to implement some script, and it is useful for both environment, whether Linux environment and same Windows environment, how to compare. So generally, so if you want to clear the screen, I run the screen. If you want to clear the screen, which command we are using? Which command we need to use? Print. Which command we need to use? There is a one, right? First, we need to import the import the function. If you want to import, there is a one model available. Import. There is a so OS. OS is the one built-in. If you want to import, that is functions under we can import. So under OS, there is many functions also available. If you want to see, we can use the OS. So what are the functions available under? I import the py import os and dir of os. See here. So these are the functions. These are the functions. These are the existing function already. So this is the one package. So within the package, and see here there is many functions, access, alerts, and all. There is lot of functions available. Lot of functions available. And so if you want to use, there is a system related. I am running a system related, right? System also there is one function available. Now check it. Where is that? Sys. See here, system function. See, this is also system function. If you want to clear, this is a Windows environment, right? If you want to clear os dot system dot, if you use so if you use CLS, this is a Windows, right? Clear. If you use clear, so clear CLS, Windows we are using CLS. If you use see clear the screen. So generally, if you type, it won't work here. Generally, if you use generally if you use clear means it won't work directly. See trace mouse command. So name error. Clear is not found. but Windows it will work. But I am in which prompt? Python prompt, right? So Windows directly CLS function will work. If you open this one, so here if you type dir, if you want to clear, we can use CLS function. It will. This is Windows prompt. Now if I use Python or py, if I use Python, now that prompt change to which mode? See here, it will change to which mode? Now I am in which console? Windows console or Python console? As is
Python.
Python. So Python directly we cannot use CLS command. It won't work. So first we need to import the package. So there is a one built-in package import OS import OS. So under OS if you want to see any what are the functions available. So there is many functions available. Whatever you want we will see one by one. Okay, there is a system function. So this is the system related. Now see here OS dot system, and if I use a CLS function, now my command will work. My command will work. See here, my command will work. In same way, if we come to Linux, Linux CLS, it won't work, right? We need to use a clear function. See, clear function we need to use. So now I'm going to write a simple script for both, which is suitable for Windows and which is suitable. For example, I am writing some script. See here, here also I am imported, right? Just I am writing print. Okay, print. So print I am writing. So just closing, cleaning the screen. So clear the Windows env whatever you want env screen. So just I printed. Next what you need to do? Next what you need to do? OS dot OS dot. So see here if you type OS, already I imported package. This is the OS is the one built-in package I imported. OS dot. If we click dot, there is many functions available. See here, these are the functions. These are the functions, guys. So I need system function. Type sys system function. See here. So this is the system. So see here function definition system already they implemented. Okay. Now in this we need to pass CLS. We need to pass CLS. We need to pass CLS. See here if I run, so my screen is clear. If I run, so my screen is clear. If I run, my screen is clear. Now same thing if I run, so Linux mission. Is it work? Same code. If you want to write in Linux code, if it is working or not. Now I want to print something also. Windows, what is this? OS dot system dot. See here, I want to print all files and directories. What is the command we are using? dir command, right? So what is the command we are using? dir. See here, it will display all files and directories. It will display all files and directories. All with command, all commands. If you want to execute anything, Windows or Linux, this is the system. This is the system. Now, if I run same thing, it won't work in Linux environment. See here, copy Ubuntu, Ubuntu mission. It won't work. Now, so what is the purpose of function? So that is reusability. That is the reusability, right? We can write anything. See here, same thing. If you want to clear CLS, it won't work. CLS, it won't work. We need to use clear function. See here, we need to use clear function. Now same thing. Now I need to check if it is Windows mission, I want to execute this command. If it is not Windows mission, I want to do something. I want to do something. So how to implement? This is only for understanding purpose. We can easily understand. See here, this is Windows. Now I want to check the condition, right? If condition. If so, if there is one more, if you want to check any operating system, there is one more package available. That is import space platform. So platform. See here. So this is the platform. This model tries to retrieve the much platform identified data as possible. It makes this information available via function API. I want to check platform. Okay, whether it is Linux platform, whether it is Windows platform. If you want to check, we can use also platform. So here also there is many functions available. We can check it. So what are the functions if you want to know? So just check it. Platform dot see here. First I will show here. import import platform. Right now we didn't discuss, right? dir of platform. Now we can see so many functions here also available. See here also we can check one platform. So whether it is which platform, whether it is Linux platform or Windows platform. So here also there is one function. See here system. I want to check my operating system. So based on this, so how to check? Now see here if platform dot system platform of system equal to which operating system? Which operating system? Windows or Linux? If it is Windows only, it will work, right? See here, it will work. Windows, execute these functions, execute these lines. See now here, print, sorry, we need to follow indentation, right? Otherwise it won't work. Now see here, if platform.os Windows, so now it will execute it. See here, dr. So L after display all, I want to clear the screen. See here. I got it. See here, if platform dot system Windows, so clear the Windows screen. Just I want to display and clear it. Just you want to display and clear it. So same thing, I want to use the Windows Linux also based on your operating system. Based on your operating system, whatever you want, so you want to implement. Same thing we can implement for else. For example, else condition, just print. Just I am giving for our understanding system. If it is Windows means just DAR it will work, CLS also it will work. If it is not Windows means based on your it's, it will work. Windows any typing if condition is not executed. So this is not executed. Why? If platform dot system Windows W capital letter, right? Windows, Windows. If it is a platform.os, Windows, I want to execute these lines, or else print this. Now execute it. What happens? Anything missing? What anything? What is the functions here? System dot now this is the document which is function which is variable. If you want to check it, so here also we can check it. Now help. Now we can check it documentation. So which is a function? So it is system alias for. So see here functions. So what are the functions and all? We can see here. Mission is function. Node is function. Platform we can pass. Next, the processor is the function. Python branch is function. Python build is function. Python compiler function. Now we need a release is the function. System is the function. This is not a variable. See here, function means we need to use this one. Returns the system OS name, example Linux or Windows. We need to use this name only. We need to use this name. we need to use this name only. So correct only, right? We use this name only. We need to use this line only. And this is not a variable. This is a function. Function means we need to declare like this. We need to declare like this. Now see here, I am running. Now see here, clear the screen. So first, so it is checking platform dot system equal to Windows. Okay, run the please. First it will line, this line will print, and OS it will print, and finally it will execute this command. If same script, if I run my Linux machine, it won't work. 100% it won't work. So that case, I need to use here also same thing. Again, we need to write the same code. So if it is else, right? If it is else, so else part else, and we need to run same code. We need to run same code, and just I am running same code. Instead of running here, we need to use ls command, and here we need to use also clear the command. Correct? If it is not Windows, if it is not Windows, if it is Linux machine, I am checking. I am running ls command and clear the screen. Clear the screen. I got it. Anyone any doubt here? This code I want to use many areas. This is a code. Same way. There is no problem. If you want to, we can execute anywhere, it will work. Anywhere, so it will work. So anywhere it will work. But same thing, if I want to use many areas we need to use same code, copy and paste, right? Many areas we need to use same code, copy and paste it, right? So that is the reason now we should go for functions. Now see here, function. So the main advantage of function is code reusability. What is the main advantage of functions? Code reusability. And Python has two type of functions, built-in functions, user-defined functions. Now I used some of functions here. I used some of functions here. Here I used system function. And so these all are the which functions? User-defined or system-defined? This is the user-defined or which one? Built-in functions. This is the one function, right? This is the built-in function or user-defined. Just now we saw, right? These all are the built-in functions. Release, Python version, system, Python version, whatever you want. If you use any function, so if you want to know which is function and which is variables and all, for understanding purpose, we can use help command. So function means we need to use that brackets. These all are the variables. So these all are the variables only. System, data design here, node one, release two, versions. These are the only variables. So functions means so these all are the functions. There is a heading is there. See here functions. Return tuple we cannot. These all are the functions. Mission, it returns the mission type. What type of mission? Node returns the computer network name. So if you want to see platform, which platform? Return the single string identified the underlying the platform. That is very useful for possible and what type of and one processor returns the processor name, which processor you are using. So if you want to based on any function, these all are the built-in functions. Built-in functions. Directly I am using system, right? Directly I am using system. So it returns the system operating system name. Example Linux, Windows, Java, like this it will display. Now, so these are the user built-in functions. User-defined function means these are see ID, type, input, evaluation. These all are also functions. I'm using right. So here see I'm using so one more thing. So if you use like this, n equal to input of enter name. Just I'm giving. So now input is the one function. This is a user-defined function or built-in function. What Ramya? Input. Int. We are using many things, right? These all are the which functions? As user-defined or built-in functions.
Built-in.
Built-in functions. I am not implemented anything. Already Python people they implemented. Directly we are using this and all. There is two types, only two types. So user defined, built-in. Now built-in means these functions which are coming along with the Python automatically. So if you use anything, automatically there is we can see many things, right? If I d os dot, if I type means, so here I can see many functions. These all are the built-in functions. We didn't write anything. I am not did I didn't write anything. These are the built-in functions. So it is coming from via Python only. Okay, via Python only. Now see user defined. User defined means we need to declare one function. A functions which are developed by programmer explicitly. That is nothing but a user defined. I am the programmer. I am going to implement it. Now see here. Just I am commenting this one. I am commenting this one. I am commenting. So I am commenting this one. I am commenting this one. So now I am going to write one. I am writing something. This is the syntax. Def function name. Def function name. I am going to write any function name. This is the syntax. Def means definition. We can write anything. We can we can write so anything. Name. Okay. Name. Whatever we not say for example my code. I given something my code. I given something my code and semicolon. Now same code I am copy and paste it. Same code I am copying and paste it. See here, same code I am copying, but we need to follow indentation. Okay, and this is the else, and we need to follow else. After else, this is the indentation. Or yes, or else it won't accept. Right now, see here. Clear? Okay. Now platform is it is showing error. See here, platform is not defined. So not defined means we need to import that package. How to import? Import OS and we used import platform. Okay. Now clear. Errors are clear. Now both are same only. See here, DEF. This is the syntax, guys. Very simple only. So DEF and DEF definition defined function. If you want to define any functions, so DEF function name and this is the parameter. We can, if you want to, we can pass and this is the body and return is value, return value. So if you want to return anything, so we can return here also. If you want to return anything, we can return. Right now, the best practice we can return none. So return none. You can use none also. See here, we can use also, but best practice we can use even if you are not using, no problem. But some area mostly we are using return. So you see here, this is the DEF, and we can give any name. Yes, hello. We can give any name. This is my function name. This is the syntax. DEF space function name. We can give any name. ABC, XYZ, hello, whatever you want. Okay. For example, clear screen. Clear screen. Just I given. This is my function name. This is my function name. Whatever you want. Dev apps. This is the function name like this. Okay. So this is the function name. And so now if platform remain code same only. Remain code same only. If it is Windows means it will run these steps. If it is not Windows means this it will execute this. Now here one more thing, right? So one more thing. Here I given some hard coding, right? Here I given some hard coding. Same thing. I am going to pass like parameters also. I am going to pass like parameters also. See here, DEF mandatory and also return also optional. If you want to, we can add DEF. This is mandatory. If you declare any function, this is mandatory. But return statement is the not mandatory. This is optional. If you want to, we can add it. Same thing, it will work. No problem. See here. Now it won't executed. Now this is not executed. When function will execute? Function will execute whenever if you call the function name only. Otherwise it won't execute. Now remember this point also. Function should be executed. Function should be executed only if you call. Whenever if you call, then only functions will be executed. Otherwise it won't run. Clear? So function should be executed only if you call that one. When it will execute, function executes only when it called, when it is called. Otherwise, it won't work. Also. Function executes only when it is called. Now I written something. Now this code is executed or not? Executed or not? I implemented my function. Now I run this program. So can you see this output? Ramya, assist. I implemented function. Now it is executed or not? Just yes or no? It is executed or not? No, right? So what is the rule? So function executes only when it is called. నువ్వు ఫంక్షన్ ని కాల్ చేస్తేనే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫంక్షన్ నేమ్? ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ డెవాప్స్. See here, I am using DevOps. This is the my function name, right? I am using DevOps. See here, now only it is executed. Now output is gone very fast, right? I want to make slow. We can use time also. We can use so time also. Slowly it will run. We can use time also. So if you want to, we can use. So there is one more built-in functions available here. Import slowly. If you want to see, there is one more package time, and so here we can use. So here also we can use. Here also we can use some timing. Time dot sleep. I want to wait 2 seconds. After this command also I want to wait. Time dot sleep. Sleep means waiting period. So same thing we can use it. That's it. So I want to wait some time period. I want to wait some time period. We can use this one also. Okay. Now see here. If I run, see here. Slowly it is running after 2 seconds. See. Observe here. First it is clear the screen. Executed the command. After 2 seconds, clear the screen. So if you want to, we can use this one. If you are not calling this function, it won't run my script. It won't run my script. Next, one more thing. Functions can call only one time or many times. So functions can call any times, many times. How many times you want, those many times we can call it. See here, DevApps. This is my function, right? So this is my function. We can call many times. We can call, so this is function, right? We can call many times. See here, DevApps. How many times, wherever you want, we can call it my function name. So this is the main purpose of functions. See here, 3 times it will execute. First time, second time, again third time also. Now see here, third time. So now understand, right? So functions can call. This is the optional definition is the mandatory. How to declare means so we can declare like this. This is the function name. Here, which is the function name? Which is the function name? We can call which many times. For example, I can call. I am going to declare one more function. See here, I am doing this one and def def wish. This is my function name. Okay, print. Like this, we can declare anything. So like this, we can declare also anything. Like this, we can declare anything. Alright, this is the function, right? Going to declare. We need to end, right? So if you want to, a return statement. This function take okay. So if you want to pass arguments, return statement. A function can take input values as parameters and execute business logic, then return the output. Now same thing I am coming to here. Same thing I am coming to here. Here I am passing hard coding, right? Hard coding, right? Same thing I am going to pass like arguments. I am passing like arguments. So instead of giving hard coding, whether it is Linux Windows environment, I want to give something, right? Instead of passing like this, directly we can pass. Directly we can pass. Directly we can pass. So function arguments also. If you want to, we can give whatever you want. Now see here, same thing. Just I am copying this one. It. I am copying this one. Just comment this one, and this is also comment. Three quotations only, no more. Now I commented. Now this is the arguments. How I can pass? Here I am asking, for example, CMD1 comment whatever you want. So that is your wish. Which arguments you want to pass? So that and all your wish. You can use anything. So whether CMD1 and CMD2 I am giving. So here no need to pass a hard coding. Here no need to pass hard coding. Now here I am giving something. Here I am giving, so don't give string format. Alert that is string CMD1. Now this is the CMD2. So here also which one? CMD1, and this is the one more CMD2. CMD. Now same thing, arguments. Here I passed arguments, return, right? So return means this is now mandatory. Now I want to return something, and so here I'm passing dynamic. Now while calling my function devs, what is my function devs? Here I'm giving. So here I'm giving. So whatever you want, we can pass it. Now see here. Here I'm giving which one? One is dir. So here was done this. First one I need to execute. What is this? DR and CLS. Now same thing I converted to arguments also. Arguments means so if you want to write like this, where is that one? Arguments, right? So definition is mandatory, optional, and built-in function, user-defined function. Now see here, they are passing arguments. Parameter, that is nothing but parameters. Parameters are the input to the function. Here, this is my parameter. I pass two parameters, CMD1 and CMD2. We need to give input in our function. See here, dir. Now dir comes to here, and second one, this one it is comes to here. This one it is comes to here. That's it. Clear? Now see here, it is executing. It is executing. So that is the parameters. Parameters are the input to the function. If a function contains parameters, then at the time of calling, so compulsory we need to provide the values. Otherwise, we will get error message. Now see here, here I didn't pass. My function I didn't pass any parameters. I didn't pass any parameters. Now it is called, it is, right, dev I'm not passing anything. I am not passing anything. Now in this case, what is happening? Check it here. See error message. Missing two required positional arguments CMD1 and CMD2. So actually I implemented one function. This is user defined function. So in this function, what it is expecting? Two parameters it is expecting. But did I pass anything here? No, right? Pass చేశానా? No. So that is the reason we are getting error message. So that is the reason we are getting error message. So clear guys? Clear Ramya? Asis? So how to declare parameter, how to declare functions and all. Next return statement. So now return statement means they want to return something. See here, print sum of results. I am passing same thing. Now I am commenting this one. commenting means so three single quotation X I'm commenting. Okay, just I commented. Now, so return statement. They want to return something. Here they declare one function add. What is the function name? Add. So what are the parameters they passed? Two parameters x comma y. They return x plus y. They return result equal to add equal to x plus y. So this is the see here print result and add x plus y. Both are it will print. Now see here df. Here what is the function name? Add. What is the function name? Add. Clear? And return. I'm giving so x plus y. So here I am passing two parameters x comma y. See here return, right? return. Return. See this is the function df function name add. I am passing two parameters x comma y. That's it. See here return xy. Result equal to add of they are giving and we can also print that results. Now we are using result result equal to add of I am giving 10 comma 20. Clear? Now see here what next they are doing result next print that result and print that directly we are calling the sum function also. Print sum of one second. Now see here where are you? So here right. So def function name add I am passing two parameters x comma y. Return x comma y x plus y and result equal this is the one variable. So function of I am passing two arguments. Now so now here return x plus y means 10 plus 20 30 store into the result variable. Just I am printing that result. Correct? Now check it. Now see here sum of two numbers. This is one way. Second way, directly we can print like this also. Print sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers. So other way, directly we can print a function also. With the help of calling function also, we can call it. Now see here, add. What is the function? Add function. I am passing, see here, 10 comma, or else I can give 30 comma 40. Whatever you want. So now see here. So here result equal to add of 20 comma 10 comma 20 I passed. These are the parameters. So these are the parameters. 10 plus 20 30. Now we can use directly also. See add of 30 comma 40. 30 comes to x value. 40 comes to y value. Now it is executing. Now we can call many times. Wherever we want we can call it. So now function can call many times. This is the simply if you want to pass any parameters, we can use parameters. And same you write find factorial number. You know, write factorial number. For example, even or odd number. I am passing one number. So first just write normal n equal to input of input of enter number. Enter number. Now how to check even number, odd number? How to check even number and odd number? Even number means even number, odd number. If
Introducible one.
n percentage 2 equal to 0, print even number. Correct? Else print odd number. Simple, right? I am giving one number. So it is asking enter number. I am giving 4. 4 is even number or odd number?
Even.
Now see here, even number. 4 divided percentage 2 equal 0. True or false? True. Reminder 0 వచ్చిందా? Yes, even number. Suppose if I run again, enter number. I am giving 5. 5 not 2 equal 0. False. So odd number. What happens? What? Int number if equal to even number, else anything missing. What it is?
See మీరు ఎంటర్ నంబర్ దగ్గర 5 అండ్ ఇచ్చారు.
Okay, okay. Clear the screen. Run. Now I'm giving 5. Okay. Now see here odd number. Now see here odd number. Now same thing I want to implement. So via now I'm commenting this one. Now I am commenting this one. If you want to comment multiple lines, just comment this one via functions. Now def even odd number, whatever you want we can give. Okay, so here I am giving so for example n value, I am giving n value. Now if n percentage equal to n percentage equal 0, print even number. Now else print odd number. That's it. Now if I run this, it is executing or not? It won't run. Because why? It won't run. ఇది రన్ కాదు. ఎందుకు రన్ కాదు? I implemented my function. But did I call my function? నేను ఆ ఫంక్షన్ కాల్ చేశానా? ఇక్కడ ఏం రాశా? No, right? So function execute only when it is called, and function can call number of times. ఈ ఫంక్షన్ రన్ అవ్వాలి, ఈ కోడ్ రన్ అవ్వాలంటే నేను ఏం చేయాలి? ఫంక్షన్ నేమ్ కాల్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ మై ఫంక్షన్ నేమ్? ఈ ఓ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 4. See here I'm giving 4. Now run it. Now see here a1 number. Suppose if I give 5, now this 5 goes to here. ఈ 5 ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది? This is a parameter, right? So this function parameter, this 5 comes to here 5. Now 5 percentage 2 equal 0. True. If it is true means first line, false means second line. See here. So this is the odd number. Same here how I am passing like this. Same program you want to convert to, so function we can declare like this. We can declare like this. If you want to, we can return none also. Return, this is optional, right? Return none. If you pass none, there is no problem. Output is same only. No problem. We'll see. Now see odd. Okay. Now one more thing. So even now write the function find factorial. You know, write factorial. Factorial అంటే idea ఉందా? If I give 4 means what is the factorial value? 1 into 2 into 3 4. What is the factorial value?
24.
For example, I am giving 5. I am giving 5. 1 into 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 3, 4, 5. What is the 5 factorial value?
120.
120. This is the output. This is the output. We need to write the same thing. This is the program here they implemented. So now I am going to declare same only. Just remove this. DEF, definition of FACT factorial. Okay. Here I am giving, for example, input I am giving n or x, whatever you want. Now we need to check. Suppose if I give 1 input, if I give 1 means what is the factorial value? If I give 1, if నేను input 1 ఇచ్చిన అనుకో factorial value
1 only.
1 only కదా. 2 ఇస్తే
2.
2. 3 ఇస్తే 1 into 2 into 3. Now 6.
6.
Here 6. Here 2. We need to output 2. Here 1. This is the logic. Okay. So if I give 1 means 1, 2 means 2 only, 3 means 6. So now see here how they are written. See, result equal to 1. They take result equal to 1. If n number greater than equal to 1, result equal to result star number equal to number minus 1, return the result. That's it. Okay. Now got it. See, I am passing, for example, here 3. Result equal to 1. 3 greater than equal to 1. True or false? True. True అయితే result equal to result star number and n equal to I am decreasing the number. That's it. Return result. Very simple. Now see here. First they are taking so result whatever you want, we can, that is result equal to 1. Okay. So result equal to 1. While n greater than or equal to 1. Result 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 equal to result equal to, so what they are, so result star number n. Okay. Next n equal to n minus 1. That's it. Clear? So n equal to n minus 1. Now return result. Return return result. That's it. Now I am using fact of 3. Now I am giving fact of 3. So now return result. How to print this result? It return to the some value. So here it will, first time it is coming result 1. 3 greater than equal to 1, true. Result equal to 1 equal to 1 into 3. 1 into 3. 3 value. Next n equal to n minus 2. What is n value? 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Now come to n value 2. 2 greater than equal to 1, true. Again result equal to, it will multiply the 2. Next n equal to n minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1. 1 greater than equal to 1, yes. Multiply, then finally it will result. Now how to print this value? So here we are using I range. Whatever you want, we can use it. Different ways we can print it. So this is the print of fact of I am giving directly. Print fact of, just I am giving 3. Directly I am printing. Now check it, run it. See here, what is the factorial value? 3. For example, if I give 5, what is the factorial value? 120. Suppose if I give 1 value, what is the factorial of 1? 1 only. So if I give 2, 2 only. If I give 3, 6 only. See here, like this. So this is the function. Whatever number we are passing here, here I passed something, right? Here I passed something. So this is also no need. Don't confuse. Directly I am calling here. Directly I am calling here 6. Okay. So now I am passing 3. So now first if come to here 3, result equal to first time 1. 3 greater than or equal to 1. True or false? Yes, true. Result equal to 1 into 3. What is the output? 3. And 3 greater than or equal to 0. Result equal to result star n. What is the n value? First time 3, right? Next n equal to n minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. ఇప్పుడు n వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది? ఇక్కడికి 2 వస్తుంది. ఆల్రెడీ రిజల్ట్లో 3 ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ సో రిజల్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు, రిజల్ట్ 3 ఉంది. 3 into 2, 6. n equal to n minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 greater than equal to 1, true. True కాబట్టి result లో 6 ఉంది. 6 into 1, 6. So finally it will return. Next time 0 minus 1. That is not possible, right? So 0 minus 1, minus 1 greater than equal to 1, false. Now return the 6 value. So finally we are printing. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? Even if I give 6. Now see here, if I give 6, 720. If I give 720. Without function, if you want to declare, this is very simple. N L is equal to result equal to 1 while n greater than print. Here declare one where read one value, just print it. That's it. Only this part is same only. Only these two lines we need to remove. If directly if you want to write factorial. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? So that is the with. Now so how it will work? This is a subtraction, sum and subtraction. Remaining same only. Remaining and all same only. So how to declare types of arguments? Here they are passing two arguments. Positive arguments. This is positional arguments, keyboard arguments, default arguments, variable length arguments. Next class we'll see. As of now, I given directly. I passed. Right. So if you want to, we can read keyboard also, or positional arguments also, default arguments, variable length arguments. There is different ways we can pass it. Different ways we can pass it. Next class we'll see. I hope you got some idea, right? Why you go for functions? What is a function? Functions is the set of block of statement. So the main purpose is reusability. When it will call, whenever function is called, then only it will execute. Otherwise, it won't execute. Functions can call number of times. Clear? What asks Ramya? Clear? So
Yes,
that's it from my side today. So we'll connect